How long can breast milk be stored for? So I've just finished work and it used to be 666. So 6 hours out of the fridge, 6 days in the fridge and 6 months in the freezer. Now the rule is 6386. So freshly expressed breast milk lasts for 6 hours at room temperature out of the fridge. If your fridge temperature is more than 4 degrees C, then it lasts for up to 3 days within your fridge. If your fridge temperature is below 4 degrees C, then it can last up to 8 days. I would always suggest though, if you've got milk in there for more than 3 or 4 days, it's worth getting it frozen. The reason being you don't want to forget about it at the back of the fridge and then suddenly you've wasted all that hard work and effort that you have been pumping for. If you have a completely separate freezer to be able to store your milk in, then it lasts for up to 6 months and you can freeze your milk after it's been refrigerated for a couple of days too. The only caveat that I put to this is that milk that is stored in an ice compartment only lasts for 2 weeks. So that's not a separate freezer. That is if you have a fridge with like a shelf at the top of your fridge, like an ice compartment or an ice drawer at the top of your fridge, milk that is frozen in that will only last up to 2 weeks. And that's often because it doesn't get to minus 18 degrees C like a separate freezer would do. And that's the rules for storing your breast milk when you're at home, which is why if you're out and about, maybe you're taking freshly expressed breast milk in a cool bag with ice packs, for example, to try and keep the bag cool. You have to assume the warmer temperature. And once you have defrosted your breast milk, it lasts for up to 24 hours. And once you start feeding that expressed breast milk feed, you have about an hour to use that breast milk in. And yes, breast milk can be gently warmed either in a warm jug of water or a bottle warmer if your baby drinks warmed breast milk easier than cold breast milk.